The lake lies just 90 kilometres northwest of Nairobi. It covers more than 100 square kilometres, making it one of the largest high-altitude lakes in Kenya. Around the lake, you'll find acacia forests and fertile farmland. It's a place where wildlife and people share the same waters. Naivasha is well known for its hippos. You'll often see them wallowing near the reeds, or hear their calls echoing across the water. Hippos are the third largest land animals in the world. By day, they spend hours submerged, keeping cool beneath the surface. But don't be fooled by their calm appearance. Hippos are powerful and unpredictable, able to run faster than a human on land, and fiercely protective of their territory. The bird life here is incredible. Over 400 species have been recorded. Out on the lake is Crescent Island. It's a private wildlife sanctuary and one of the few places in Kenya where you can walk among wild animals. Since there are no predators, it's safe for guided walks. You'll often come across giraffes, zebras, wildebeest and antelope at close range. Hippos rest along the shore and bird life is everywhere. Sometimes guides bring the bird life even closer. With a small fish thrown from the boat, pelicans swoop in from above. Their wings beat the water as they compete for the catch. A spectacular moment that shows just how alive the lake really is.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.